What I was really thinking was that make sure also our blog change on real time, update on real time. So if I'm this tab here, and if I go to the blog and update the title, if I make it dash at the end, updated, nothing really happened here unless I refresh. So as you remember, we just did the same things in index.js. So we had just when component did mount, component unmount, and then we had a listener, so it does the job for us. So in order to do that, we can do the same thing exactly in a component did mount, in a blog component, and it will give us exactly what we really need. So I'm just quickly going to add those things and then explain what are they. First thing we need is our constructor and with blog listener. So our blog listener is just a very simple things which is going exactly to find a blog. So I can easily call this blog listener here. So I'm just going to copy and paste it here, and then I'm going just easily to say this.blog listener. And as you can see, nothing has changed so far. And then we have the collection name, for example. I can just paste it here. That's what I really like to do. And then we have the value again. And instead of having that long things, we have got this props.router.query.slug. We have got this.blog slug. We need to add our subscription and unsubscribe when we are just waiting for Firestore real-time changes. So in order to do this one, we can just add it in a component did mount. Very simple. We're going to add the Firestore. Import Firestore from, and then it will be lib, and it will be database. And then from here, component did mount cities dot unsubscribe. It will be Firestore dot collection. Our collection is obviously this dot collection name. We can just look for any changes in the blog collection, or we can just specifically target the blog we're talking about. So I think it would be better if you just work on that one. And in the var clause, actually we are looking for the slug equals to this dot blog slug. If you remember, we just added here on snapshot. So I'm just going to save it. So on a snapshot, we have got a listener and we've got the error. So listener is basically the blog listener. Blog listener. And if there is any error, just show it. So we can just say if there is any error, just log it for now. So now we have the subscribe. We need just to add unsubscribe very quickly. That is very simple. We just copy and paste from the index.js. So we subscribe, and now we're going to unsubscribe it. And that one is going to be a subscription. So let's just test it together. I am going to quickly check the blog. So now we have, refresh the page. We have the latest changes. So I'm going to update the title. It's hello next.js. And it will change automatically there. This is going to be an intro about next.js in the best blog ever. And I'm going to just press update, and it updated automatically.